Are you a ramen lover searching for the ultimate dining experience? Look no further. We invite you to join us on a tantalizing journey into the world of Totto Ramen. In this video, we'll provide you with a brief summary of our blog post, highlighting the fascinating history, mouth-watering menu, and the unique ingredients that make Totto Ramen a must-visit destination for food enthusiasts like you. In our blog post on Eat and Travel World, we delve into the rich history of Totto Ramen, how it has evolved over the years, and the founders' philosophy behind their commitment to serving authentic and delicious ramen. Discover how Totto Ramen has become a game-changer in the ramen scene, not only in New York City but also across the United States. We'll explore the tantalizing menu options at Totto Ramen, including their signature spicy paitan ramen and the delectable chicken and vegetable ramen. Learn about the unique ingredients used in their recipes and how they elevate the flavors of each dish, creating a taste sensation that will leave you craving more. Our blog post also features personal reviews and recommendations, giving you insider insights into the most popular and highly recommended ramen bowls at Totto Ramen. Hear from fellow food enthusiasts who have been captivated by the tantalizing flavors and outstanding quality of Totto Ramen's offerings. We'll take you on a virtual tour of the ambience and atmosphere at Totto Ramen, showcasing the cozy decor, seating arrangements, and the inviting vibe that makes every visit a memorable experience. Immerse yourself in the warmth of Totto Ramen's atmosphere, where the chef's passion for their craft is palpable in every bowl of ramen. But wait, there's more! Our blog post also explores how Totto Ramen has influenced the ramen scene in the city and beyond. Discover the restaurant's contributions to popularizing the concept of high-quality, affordable ramen, and how it has helped to establish ramen as a respected cuisine in the United States. We've provided tips on the best time to visit Totto Ramen and how to avoid long wait times, ensuring you make the most of your dining experience. Whether you're a ramen aficionado or new to this delightful cuisine, Totto Ramen is a culinary gem that should not be missed. To dive deeper into the world of Totto Ramen, we invite you to visit our blog page at www.eatandtravel.world, where you'll find the complete blog post with all the details, personal reviews, and recommendations. Prepare yourself for a culinary adventure that will leave you yearning for the delectable flavors of Totto Ramen. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to www.eatandtravel.world and discover the irresistible charm of Totto Ramen. Your taste buds will thank you.